Stampers, Jackie Bolhuis. I am back with the tip of the week. Today we're talking about the dynamic embossing folders. Now remember, these are the ones that are thicker, and there's quite a few in the catalog nowadays, but they improved them. I'm super excited about something they did with this one. This is the brand new tufted one, I believe it's called. See this line here? Because this is a folder that you really want lined up straight. When you put your cardstock in here, you can line it up with that black line, and you know that when it embosses, it's going to be nice and straight. And then always remember that where the Stampin' Up! Logo is, okay, I've got a couple other ones sitting here, that is up. So if you have a piece of cardstock, or maybe you're doing like a card front and you want to make sure the front of it is the right way, you know, I always wondered, this way, that way, which way, you know, do I put my cardstock in? Where the Stampin' Up! Logo is, that is the side of the embossing you're going to want to see. So put it up, run it through. Remember, with dynamic ones, you simply use the platform, this, and a plate on top. There's only one plate that you use. So we'll just take a peek, see if you can see this. Isn't that gorgeous embossed cardstock? And you can see how it's raised up. The back, I mean, really, you could use the back too, but it's definitely much prettier on the front. So that's the side with the Stampin' Up! Logo. Lined it up on with the line there, and it worked awesome. So hope you like this tip of the week. I'll be back again next week with another tip. Have a stamp happy day.